Hi, I'm Rick Close with the Davey Tree Expert Company, and today we're talking trees and why it's important to choose the right plant for the right place in your commercial property. Right plant, right place is a term you may have heard of, but for commercial property owners and managers, it's an important concept to understand and utilize when making any decisions on adding plant material to your site. By using this method, you can maximize your investment and can create a more beautiful and longer lasting commercial landscape. Consider your unique landscape attributes when choosing your plants. This includes your region's hardiness zone, average temperature highs and lows, average rainfall and soil conditions, and the tree's ultimate size. Let's dive into this a bit more. First, identify your USDA hardiness zone. By knowing your zone, you can select plants that thrive in your region of the country based on winter temperature lows. Next, consider the soil conditions. Is the area close to a water source? If so, select a plant that thrives in moist conditions. If you live in a particularly dry part of the country, consider xeriscaping, a style of landscape design that requires little to no irrigation or other maintenance. Also, consider the amount of sunlight that your plants will be getting in various locations you've selected. Is it full sun? Is it partial sun? Is it shade? Not all plants and trees can tolerate or thrive in the same kind of lighting conditions. Therefore, it's important to select plants that are well suited for the amount of light they'll be receiving. Also, consider the ultimate size of the trees you'll be planting so that you can accommodate for the amount of room they'll need to grow to maturity and not interfere with the buildings, with utility lines, or with other portions of the property. Remember, everywhere you look, there are examples of the wrong tree in the wrong place. That's why it's so important to consider well ahead of time and think ahead and plan before doing any planting. If you'd like to learn more about proper planting, give us a call. Our certified arborists will work with you to select the right plants for your unique property and help you maximize your landscape investment.